Hey Escambia Public School teachers, and welcome to a Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Today we're going to be going over a quick and easy way to locate any extra credit assignments you've given by using the extra credit report that's in focus. Let's begin. On your portal page, you're going to use your sidebar menu to navigate to your reports. Choose Reports, Grades, and then Gradebook Reports. On this screen, go ahead and choose Extra Credit Grades by clicking this. When you do, you're going to see all students who have earned extra credit on at least one assignment in this particular course. You do have the ability to filter those columns that are there for you. Now, this example right now is filtered on student, but if I want to change that, I click Assignment and it will filter it by the assignment. If at any point in time I want to include my inactive students, click this checkbox. Maybe I want to change the number of points that I gave a student. Clicking on the point value will allow me to change it. And then when I do, I need to come to that top right-hand corner and click my Save button. Now, if I decide I want to change my time frame, I will use my drop-down that shows which quarter I'm in. Or I can use my drop-down that shows the class period. And now I've looked at my extra credit report in focus. Thanks for watching. Check out our other recommended video, because that is a Byte of Tech.